you ever looked out the window of an airplane and wondered, why are they shaped the way they are? What's the story behind those small, round windows? Today, we're diving into the fascinating engineering principles that keep us safe and cozy at 30,000 feet. Buckle up as we unravel the mystery behind airplane windows. Welcome back, everyone. If you've flown before, you'll know that airplane windows are circular, but there's a significant reason for this design. It's all about safety, pressure distribution, and the physics of flight. Let's break it down. Airplane windows were originally square. However, engineers quickly discovered a critical flaw. The sharp corners of square windows create stress concentration points, weak spots that make them more susceptible to cracking. When high-altitude air pressure meets these windows, the corners could easily turn into failure points. Not ideal for something that withstands significant stress during flight. Enter the round window. The circular shape is inherently stronger and allows for an even distribution of pressure across the entire surface. With no corners to concentrate stress, round windows are less likely to warp or fail over time. This means a safer experience for all passengers on board. But it's not just about pressure. It's also about durability. Rounded windows have been tested and proven to withstand the extreme conditions experienced during flights, including changes in altitude and temperature. The design creates a smooth surface for air pressure to flow naturally. This continuous curvature significantly reduces the chances of deformation that could lead to leaks or cracks, a crucial safety feature for ensuring the integrity of the aircraft. And here's a curious tidbit. Sharp corners are not just a concern for airplanes. You'll often see round or oval windows on ships and even some submarines for similar reasons. They need to be resilient against heavy pressure and unexpected impacts. So, we've answered the question, why are airplane windows round? It all comes down to safety. Breakdown of pressure, strength of materials, and clever engineering have collectively created this design. But this leads us to think. We rely on these structures each time we travel. What innovations do you think are next for aircraft safety? Thank you for joining me on this exploration of airplane windows. If you found this information as fascinating as I did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep questioning the world around you.